Nakupenda.
Hata mimi nawapenda sana. Mungu awabariki. Asante. Nimekuja kufungua parokia yenu. Nimefurahia.
Asante.
Na nitaacha padre hapa awe akiwahudumia.
Asante.
Asante.
Karibu.
Mpe.
Hii ni yangu, usishikilie sana.
Iwani unagenda gwikekerisi kya Nyabururu abo abufata isirugena nigakuanira iguru yengana yatubugitari andasi babwate panisinya igasabira banasiasa bo sibana rosasi mu monene gekori chiko lya Kenya libankirete nabona abakristo libankirete kuri igarure kurate yo Mungu ngekera bango cyasogo sasima banyale go sasima nabanyale kwerekera sikibura buruki gutubuka.
Asa Marita ni ngongoro kwa Father Dennis Rogena Matundura Undiek ngokore mirima se parish yiga Immaculate Conception Nyagururu parish toko watrana sasutu baminto Reverend Fathers Pancras Chuma Mogaka na Reverend Father Espon Nyarenchi Okuyo. Nkoli ngambi yemano so gutarira service ye parish ine asoko liyo osanga kolengana n'umuyega tuwa wate ase parish ye goretwe yo mutakatifu Mathias Murumba Iranda parish. Na watu wachagete tukobuya kolengana n'umurobiyo nainde umurobiyo lya nigore ngo umurobiyo w'Kristo ya Catholic ase diocese ya Busia uyorenge korawa n'umusko bito Right Reverend Joseph Merlo Kemwa kolengana neri tukerio na watu wachagete biya na bonsi mbari gini tubasomeye bolia abakristo ba Catholic ni chikanisa chinde hawa na bonsi abari ngino wanchokuya baigwete ngato gwatumye bolia na batu bachagete kolengana ne bitari bya bwente gwikiraniwa no buyuru bwe parisheria tugachake misabya yari gukora no busko bito nemise kaera bya kolengana ne y'Kristo ine egakora intero kiabete kolengana ne litukolirya na mono abarayi baita banasiasa tokoni ngambi yamono no barenge ine amusene tuito we county ya Busia Honorable Richard Munyonka the area MP that is Kitutu Church South Honorable Anton Kibagende the area MCA Honorable Yagi also a ward yene ya Nyatieko agakorera asomyo yo olenge chi ward ikirebere ya Nyatieko
Ngo kumbe ono aishi. Mungu abenainwe masomoyo yasaye umubibyonsi abasesenye tata no mwana no moyo mutagatifu
ya Nyatieko Honorable Amos na bonsi no barenge n'abarayi bande bakuriye ebirogo ine ase constituency yiga and beyond. Then kolengana n'umuyobo yiga ekerole ni misiarete naenda maskani ya mayano burayo buya n'umusko bito aka gusaka ruri baba abarayi baito banyare gutukwanira ne wetera so chaka kwa bwichi mkwano nali tuwa chagete koli linga inense ya chakire guchenjia egekogera emirengo yabe ngororo kureng'ana na siasa egendete ase ensi ya Kenya in the two sections, the one-term section, the two-term section. Korende gwetera sokubwatera na buya na konyakorera emirobiri yagendereire egaikarende asense mwete abarayi baitu babere Honorable Nyonka na Honorable Kibagendi. They walked out of the function when His Excellency Simbarati, the governor of his county, stood up to speak. They walked out. So wetera soka kwao narito chitukuwa magega ine ebikora getembere byabete bimusunte asa abantu kumiswa bande bakabetu emeyo abandi n'ekingoma abao bagakorera nyagitari n'abandi mbagento konyora okubwenwa koreng'ana nyagakora ekiga ine nabo tukwibori gose nkwibori amaguri akogwati. And more so for those ones who are present in this given function, everybody tangani. Or the question is, number one, omorori oyega no yomorenge igorenge omorori wekirisia omorori bogosaba, and therefore there was not a political rally, and indeed twensi tuariganirie tobe gosebabe aba one term aba two term twensi na abanyasaye umuyo nyasaye bonekero abara yawe basogete naritu ajite kwirunga yu abeire now nando manya kwiburiga. Number 2, at what point ayama babete definitely bale mwarengaroro sumuyogoria. It was immediately after the walking out of the two leaders, that is the area MP Honorable Kibagendi and our senator. Another question is, suppose they had waited for the function to end, well, ntokumanya naende ekero baituri bagukwana iyarenge bia bari mwarengo barenge kunyara korora barenge kunyara kuwa. The area MP na tebetenga goons by weekend recover within. Chances are high that triggered that situation. Suppose he had not mentioned about our concern with these goons. Well, ntokumanya. But rende ayane naya, usayite naya, ababonsi abarayibetu ntubaganiti na intu abekirisia ntubaganiti na nyasaye noyo mutuko sasima. And indeed, in our 2010 constitution, the preamble erebiya sana, we acknowledge the supremacy of the Almighty God of all creation, Nyasaye number 1. Meaning wherever we are, tigatobe Nyasaye abo yuwiri tangani. And more so, our political leaders, when they go for spiritual functions, such functions are meant for worship. And if they are given an opportunity, let them share what they have of what chinkoro chinyororo, chubuya, chiomorembe. Namono, bare nekerenge luchobugima, wanchobugima, kulindo bugima. Aribo gimambu asigetwe, tibu arende twe, tibu anchetwe. So, tiga ebe engaki yobasomanga kero yomuito naragire ko mwanya sairi baga and space bagutie gusesito gutia korengana mirobire yose kana n'abakristo twensi mwenye turi n'abakristo abagana twensi igatumenyete Kenya, and as a country all of us got citizens. But then ela ini nero ndanyiruke dichotomy asitoka nyoranga. There is an assembly or a gathering which is a spiritual gathering. There is another gathering, a political gathering. Nakera ine sangarekaniga ni bwate mirubiri yaye unego korwa. So kire ogo sangarekana gosikwe korengana ni mirubiri yaye. Nina bonto sokuru muwekana. E wiki yu bari bamaite kuru Nigeria. There was a political rally ya one time, so to say, ya Renge Nyanguru. Oisa kune kibuya, there was calm. Why? Bari ba one time na ubarengo. Suppose about 2 time ubarengo. Definitely na haraba kumucha kwa ubarengo. So in reference to the same, I've heard in some forums our governor, Kisii County, His Excellency Simbarati, mentioning and saying that if there is a political rally for one term, why about 2 term work window? If there is a political rally for 2 term, why about 1 term work window? But then you say Kirisikirekio, bonsi mbali ganiri, bonsi na habaito. But bono ekigani kiringa no zikama chiko ne mirubiri Kirisia gose kanisa endeyansi asogo sasima kole.
Kitu kikubwa mwanadamu anaweza kupea Mungu sio pesa, sio wasichana, ni kumwabudu. The act of adoration to God is proper to human beings, not to gods, not to cows. Manyako nyora chombe chitu kwa imechiwa kewa uziano wapa sinya saigo. Wanda kumisana nyora chombe une chungu tama. Lakini mwanadamu tuna jukumu ya kushukuru Mungu. Tuna jukumu la kuheshimiana sisi wenyewe. Kwa sababu nikikuona hivi na umebatizwa, Mungu Utatu Mtakatifu ako ndani yako. Kwa hivyo karibuni katika misa hii takatifu, mbarikiwe sana. Kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana na la Roho Mtakatifu. Amani iwe kwenu. Basi ndugu na dada zangu wa Maria, oike ense yonsi, tokogania ototorie, oile mioyo yaito, Maria omogombia, otambele miaka. Wa Maria, oike ense yonsi, tokogania ototorie, oile mioyo yaito.
Ramba ukiarura subo tukibwaya kiari ili umuti Nyasaye yakire akora yabere.